Diverted Destruction began 16 years ago in an effort to encourage the use of our throwaways to make assemblage art. Each show is an addition based on materials or industries that add copious quantities to the waste stream. Diverted Destruction is an ongoing art show which encompasses curated artists, workshops, and informative talks regarding the objects that are destined for the trash. The show is meant to inspire us all to look at our daily refuse as art materials for assemblage art, collage, upcycling, and recycling. The Projects Room is a year's collection of refuse by curator Liz Gordon, who also purchases daily for Liz's Antique Hardware. Many of these items are broken or unsaleable, so they've become part of the annual art material assemblage giveaway in the Projects Room installation as a component of the Diverted Destruction show. Anyone is invited to take for free any of the objects in order to create works which can be 2 or 3-dimensional. The room is replenished daily throughout the run of the show. There are 2 free workshops during the run of Diverted Destruction. Anyone of all ages are welcome to attend to create works with the materials from the Projects Room. Soldering, glues, drills, screws, hammers, scissors, and various other tools are available for use. One of the artists in the show are in attendance in order to assist those who may need guidance in creating their piece. The Diverted Destruction motto is, "Leave it on the land in lieu of in it."